Calculate checkbox in Excel. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, tap Excel to open it on your desktop and wait for the application to load completely. After the program opens, press Ctrl and O on your keyboard to open your previous project file. Locate your previous project from the folder where it was saved and select it carefully. Then open it and wait until the spreadsheet appears on your screen. After that, right-click on the checkbox that you want to connect with a cell. From the menu that appears, go to Format Control and then go to the Cell Link section. Press on the cell you want to use for the checkbox result and click OK to close the panel. Once this is done, the checkbox will display a true or false value depending on whether it is checked or unchecked. After that, go to the Total section of your spreadsheet and type the 𝗧𝗛𝗡 formula into the selected cell. Next, drag and block with your mouse over the false or true area that contains the checkbox results. Set the formula condition as true so the formula only counts or adds values from checkboxes. Then add a comma in the formula to continue adding another range. After that, go to the Amount section in your spreadsheet where the numerical values are stored. Then drag and block with your mouse over the entire amount area that you want the formula to calculate. Once all ranges are added correctly into the formula, press Enter on your keyboard to apply it. The formula should now automatically calculate values based on checkboxes only. Finally, try the formula by checking the checkboxes in your spreadsheet and observe whether the total changes correctly. If the total updates properly whenever a checkbox is selected or removed, then the formula has been set up successfully. Practicing these steps regularly will help you become more confident when using formulas and checkboxes together in Excel for organizing and calculating data more efficiently. This method is useful for tracking completed tasks, expenses, or inventory because it allows your spreadsheet to update totals automatically and accurately during use.